Hey friends, happy new week, happy new vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm actually on my way to HomeGoods. I have a few things that I am looking for, so hopefully I find that. I don't know why my cheekbones are shiny because I didn't put any highlighter. All I did is put some spray to my face, but like my cheekbone is very shiny. But anyway, slappy bun on today because we have painting to do after I get home. But I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I hope you guys are all doing well and having a wonderful day so far. So we are right back home, and this is what I got from HomeGood. I got this beautiful, super heavy marble bowl. I thought this would be perfect just to drop our keys. I'm looking for an entryway console table, so I bought that for that space. It's very sturdy, and I love the fact that the marble is sealed. So love that. I believe it was $24.99. So for right now, it's gonna hold my remote. So I also got this dish soap or soap dispenser. I'm planning to use it for my kitchen to hold like dish soap. We have a built-in dish soap with a faucet, but I really don't like it. And I love the color. This one has like a stone material, so it will be replacing that. Do you guys see how disgusting my countertop is? Very short, we are redoing our countertop very soon. So I really needed new flatware for our family. We were down to almost 3 knifeware. So yes, I needed this, and I found this set. The set that I chose go exactly well with the one we currently have, and I'll show you guys that in just a minute. But I have very pretty servingware or flatware, I should say, and gold. The only thing I worry about the gold, if the gold is going to tarnish over time, or the gold finish is going to peel off over time, because I had that with few servingware, so I promised myself that I wasn't buying any more gold. So here is a flatware that I got from HomeGood. This is a set of 20 for $29.99, I believe, and this is the one we currently have in our home. They look very similar, right? The one that I have at home was specially ordered for my job for me. We were able to order things through our company, so I ordered that. All right, friends, so we are back home, and I was prepping this door and also the windows next to it. I don't even know what to call these, peekaboo windows, whatever, and then get it all painted. I'm removing this wreath that I had for Christmas over here, but before I start painting, I need to make sure like I remove all the dust and stuff, so I'm going to just get a microfiber cloth. With any paint job, the prep time takes the long. And I also felt that painting this door black will elevate the space. My original plan was to paint this door black and also paint the office door black. But my hubby said no, so I was like, you know what? It's fine. I end up painting the door black, also the trims around the door, and it really make a huge difference. I just think it elevates the room or a space when the doors are black. That's my personal opinion. And I also use a semi-gloss paint from Lowe's. I forgot the name of the paint color that I used, but I will leave it on the screen somehow. But yeah, like once the prep job was done, painting was super fast. So this was a couple of days later, and I wanted to deep clean my dining room chairs. I love them so much, but again, black is very mommy friendly when you have little ones, but it's also a pain to keep clean because it shows every single thing. So I love the fact that I have a carpet cleaner that really gives me the ability to take care of my upholstery fabric. So that's what I'm doing. Took me no time, but you need this in your life if you have not only carpet but kids. It does the job super easy. I will link it down below for you guys. So I'm still using my Bissell, and I cleaned the stairs. It was pretty disgusting after moving, and obviously when you have kids, traffic back and forth. So I was able to also clean my accent chair. This is how it looked before I cleaned it. So I actually recommend this Bissell cleaner not only for carpet but also your upholstery. You would not believe how much dirt you have until you start cleaning it. You should see my face after I was done cleaning my dining room chairs. It looked pretty gross. So I'm just cleaning this upholstery chair because ever since we moved, it hasn't gotten a little bit of TLC. So that's what I'm currently doing. I did the upper level, like the landing space, and I also cleaned Eli's room that day. So I'm learning about a few hacks and few cleaning tools every day. So let me know down below, what do you use to clean your accent chair, your sofa? I would love to know, and also see if there's anything I can do to help this mama out here. This is a performance fabric, so it's very easy to keep up with, but it was quite dusty from all the moves, so it really needed a deep clean. Now let's talk about upgrades in this upper level. We would love to remove all the carpet from the rooms. I actually enjoy carpet in a room. I just don't like in like high traffic areas like this area. And also, you saw that recently we removed all the boob light and put those recessed light. I would love to also paint the railings very soon to black. So little upgrades here and there, but the floors will definitely be a huge one. So after we paint the railings, I would love to add these picture frame that I got from Target. The frame inside the picture frame is a 5x7 and the frame itself is a 20x20. I'll link it down below. They're definitely a restoration hardware dupe. So I will link them. They're $50 each, but they're so big that it makes a statement and doesn't look cheap at all. So for this wall, I would love to personalize it with family pictures in black and white. And I also love the fact that there's a recessed light right there, so it will reflect light onto the pictures and it looks so nice. And yeah, just like everything is slowly coming along. We added some privacy contact glass privacy paper. I'm not sure what to call them, just to because some of our kids around the neighborhood used to peek through the house when they rang the doorbell. So we needed a little bit of privacy there, so we added there, and it makes such a tremendous difference. I love that, and yeah, just everything's coming along slowly but surely. Happy Monday. So I am on my way to Ikea to pick up the drawers for our base cabinet. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, we are replacing our base cabinet in our kitchen, just from like water damage and also damage that was done in general from us getting our epoxy countertop done. So the last few things that we needed was canceled in the last order because I had everything ordered online to be delivered at my house, but a few things was canceled within the transition of the item being delivered, the base cabinet being delivered. But I was lucky enough to find a few items in stock. It's just pretty much like a plain bingo, like you have to go online and see what's available to be delivered to you or to be picked up in store. So long story short, I'm on my way there to pick up the last 4 drawers, and then from there I will stop at my international supermarket to pick up a few things for the household. So let's go along. So this is everything I picked up from my international supermarket. So we have some tomatoes I picked up. I think these are like onion. I see my Asian brothers and sisters always use this for like stir fry, anything. So I got that. I got this 3 ballerina is a herb tea that helps with, you know what, slam you down, and I love it. That's the only one that works for me. I got this stir fry noodles, kind of. This one is the spicy kind. Myself and Valerie love it very much. I also got some empanadas. I have 2 different sizes here. So yeah, we love empanadas. We make it the traditional American way and also the African way too. And I also got some jasmine rice, but these one are the big sizes. I love using this for African fried rice. I got some yuca, some fufu, and I got this salty fish for bacalao, some plantain. If you know this, you know this. Some Ghana fresh, some classic coconut milk, Nescafe. I have fresh tilapia in here. I have them cut in different pieces. 3 in a whole side because I'm going to make big tilapia. And I also have my the hand chicken. So 1 pack is $3 for 1 pack. It's actually called hard chicken. So I got 2 of those. I got some chicken gizzards, and then also some goat meat. So that's everything I got from my international supermarket, and everything you see here is about $200. Expensive, right? So I just got home, as y'all noticed, and I am going to deep clean Eli's carpet right quick before I put some of the groceries away and start cooking. So I'm gonna do that quickly so at least it'll be semi-dry before he gets home from school and I can get other things done. So yeah, I feel out of breath. I actually wanted to make coffee, but I'll drink coffee after this. So let me get to it. It's not really that bad, but let me turn you guys around. So just few stains everywhere. The thing about carpet, you have to maintain it before it gets pretty bad. These are his dirty clothes. Actually, clean clothes that needs to be folded away. I need to find a new rug for his room, and then I also wash his bed sheets so we didn't make his bed. So much to do today. And then we have Valerie's game to attend to, but let me get that going quick. So what I'm making for dinner, I'm making some African fried rice. And typically, if I know my menu for the week, I have my onion, garlic, ginger, olive pre-cut. The only thing I had pre-made was my seasoned paste that I make, and I make two kind. One with just like a bunch of herbs that I love: garlic, ginger, bell pepper, parsley, all of that. And another one is just garlic and ginger. So what I did, I cut onion, bell pepper, I added some extra virgin oil to my pan, bring it to a nice temperature, and I added those vegetables in, added some chicken bouillon, brought everything and let it sit, pretty much let it soften. And I added my rice, sauteed that a little bit, add some more seasoning, and then the chicken broth from the chicken I added to my jasmine rice and added an aluminum foil and brought it to a low temperature to let it cook. It sounds complicated, but I promise you guys it's not. One day I'll do a more in-depth video if you guys are interested. I was in the mood for some fried plantain, so I made just a little fried plantain on the side so we can have a little bite to eat before her game, because we had dinner after her game. So Valerie is a cheerleader at her middle school. I'm so proud of her. She loved dancing, and we just went to support her for her last game. But until the next time, my friend, I see you very soon in a brand new video. Bye.